Hello everyone. In this exercise of SolidWorks, we will create this model, this 3D model. There are the different views of this model. One is the top view, this is the left view, front view, bottom view, and this is the auxiliary view. Actually, this is the auxiliary view because this is the tapered portion, tapered part of the. So I have taken the auxiliary view in order to measure the dimensions of this one. This is the detailed view of this top view, this portion, or this is the section view of this one. Okay, this is actually the third angle projection. This is the third angle projection. So if this is the section view and this is the auxiliary view, this one of this at CC, at BB this is the section, this is the detail view at D. Okay, this is a section. Actually the drawing of the bottom portion is 130 mm. Okay, height is 120 mm. There are the two dials, 40 and 60 mm, and this portion is 20 mm, and 6 mm is the shell. 6 mm is the shell feature. Okay, and this cut is of this shape. This one, this is the detail view at 120 circle. At a 120 circle, this is cut. First I draw the circular portion of. Okay, let's start. File, new, part. Okay, this is the SolidWorks user. I am selecting background plain white. This is unit system is millimeter gram second. I am taking first front plane sketch. Okay, taking center line here, this one, and this is the vertical line. Okay, I am taking line, this, and tapered. First I am draw the circle tapered portion. Okay, this dimension from here to this one. If you move your cursor beyond this one, that it will show the dimension of the dia. If you move cursor beyond this below this construction line, this will show this dimension. Okay, radius, it will show the radius. If I move my cursor below this, above this construction line, it will show the dia. This is the 130 mm. This is 130 mm, and this height is 20 mm. This is 20 mm. Total height 120 mm. Total height is 120 mm. Total height 120. This is 120, and this dia, and this one. If I move my cursor beyond this construction line, it will show the dia. That is 40 mm. Same way, this dia and this point. If I move my cursor beyond this construction line, this will show the dia. If I move my cursor below this line, it will show the radius. Okay, please note this thing. This is 60 mm. So I am taking this dia as 60 mm. This is 40 mm, 20 mm. The height 120, 130. I will revolve this feature. Okay, sketch is fully defined. Feature, revolve feature, revolve. Sketch, this is system is asking, would you like the sketch to be automatic? Yes, I am close to close this one. Okay, now if you see the drawing, this one, okay, this portion I have drawn 120 high, 40, 20 mm this thing, and first and second I will draw this portion, this circular portion. Okay, this is at a height of a 70 mm. 70 mm at this distance is at, I will take slightly inside. I will show you how you will make, and this total dia is the 40 mm. Okay, I will make this circular portion. This one. I will take front plane sketch, normal. I am selecting this line, outer line. convert entity, offset, this line 10 mm, reverse direction. Okay, this one. Now draw this one line. This is should be perpendicular. Perpendicular sign is coming. You will see. Click. Again perpendicular line. Again perpendicular line. Made it. Okay. This is 10 mm at a distance of this. And make outer line construction line. Okay. And dimension. This dimension 20 mm. Circular portion. This height from inside line to this one 40 mm. Okay. Sketch is underdefined. 40, 20, 10 mm offset, and height from bottom to this one. This is 70 mm. Sketch is fully defined. Trim. This portion is you select this option, trim to closet. This click and this click. Sketch is fully defined. Now this is the portion. Now I will make future revolve space. Select this axis and this is the this I have made this one. Now I will make this extrude cut. This extrude cut is at a distance of 6 mm. At a 6 mm this extrude, or shape will be is this one. Shape is this one. You will see here. At a 120 circle at a offset from bottom 6 mm, I will make this shape, and 70 degrees is the angle between this thing. You will see here this one. At a offset of from bottom is 6 mm. Extrude cut. This is extrude cut portion. Shape I will make this one. This rate, this at a 120 circle, there will be dia of 20 mm, and I will show you how I will make this thing. This one, I am selecting bottom face. Bottom face is sketch, normal. First, I am drawing a circle here. This one, okay. This dia is 120 mm. Okay. This dia is at a 120 mm. And make this construction. Okay. Now I will draw a circle here. Dia 20 mm. Okay, this one. Now I will draw a line. First a construction line from here to here. Okay, now I will draw a line. Take a tangent relation, this one. Where you see the tangent relation, click. Okay. I have drawn a straight line tangent to this circle. Okay. And select outer circle. Outer circle, convert entity. Okay. Now mirror. Mirror, select this line about this line. This is mirror. And select this line, shift this line, this circle, tangent relation. Okay, underdefined. Okay, now I will trim to closest. I will trim this portion. Circle I have clicked. This circle, this. Okay, this is the required portion, and also this one. Outside will be trimmed. Okay. Now this is the profile only, this line and this line. Sketch is not fully defined. this one, this line and this line. This makes 70 degree. I again draw the sketch. This space, sketch, draw a circle. This one to 120. Construction. This construction. Select the circle. Dimension 20 mm. Now draw a line, center line, horizontal line, when you see the tangent relation, click there. This one and mirror. This line, mirror about this line. Select this line, shift and this circle, outside circle, tangent relation. Okay. Now outer circle, convert entity. Okay. Now dimension, this dimension and this dimension. Sketch is fully defined. Okay. Trim to closest, this circle, this one and outer one. Okay. Now this is the only profile. This will be, I will make extrude cut. Okay. This is at bottom, but future extrude cut, but this cut is at a offset. How much offset? 6 mm. But this is going down, reverse the direction, and up to through all. Okay. Because this is circular part, it will cut required. This one. This is cut. I have made this cut as per drawing. Okay. Now future circular pattern. Any circular edge. This one or this one. This one. Future. This one. Only five part. You have to make this extrude cut in such a way it should not cross this part. Okay. This one. Otherwise it will cross this one. Okay. I have made this one. Now shell, there is a wall of 6 mm in section. If you see, select this face and this face above. Okay. Shell show preview, this one. This is the, if you see the section, this one, you see the section, this one, this is the part of this. Okay. And now if you see the drawing, this one, this is the auxiliary view. There are the 3 slots here at 45 degree angle between radius of this in 20 to inside dia is the 20 mm. At a circle 20 mm, there are the 3 slot cuts. Radius 2 mm and 45 degree angle between these points. Okay. Now I made this thing. How? Select this face, sketch, normal, try a circle. Near the cursors, get the center point, this one, and dia of this circle is 20 mm. Okay, now this center point slot, this one, center point slot, this 1 point here, 1 point here, this one, this one. Make 2 lines, join this one, out, another line, this one, out, make center line here, select this line, shift this line, symmetric relation. Okay, and angle between these two, 45 degree. Okay, and radius, this radius 2 mm. This is 2 mm radius, and select this circle construction and this construction, this construction. This fully defined. Make vertical. Sketch is fully defined. Now future extrude cut. Extrude cut where? Up to what? You select up to surface, this option. Which surface? This surface. Okay, one thing more. Cancel, make this line construction line. Now this is extrude cut. No, up to surface. Up to surface. Selected contour, this one, this one. Select face, this face. Now it is cutting up to surface. You will see here this one. If I take the section, you will see here is a cut. Okay, cancel. Now I will make circular portion. This one circular, future, this part, extrude cut, direction, this direction, number 3 number only, this one. I have made this one. If you see the drawing, I have made this circular part, and this extrude cut I have made. Now this complete part I have made. Now I will make this circular hole. This is the hole wizard. I will make this one. This is, if you will see, there are the 4 counter holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 8 mm main dia, 6 through main dia 6 mm depth, and this total is the 6 mm. This outer portion 6 mm depth. Okay, 12 mm is the counter at a depth of 3 mm. I will make this counter of through hole wizard. Okay, this one. Now hole wizard, legacy hole. There are the various types of the holes. I am selecting legacy hole. Through legacy hole I will make the counter hole. You can also make through the counter bore through this option, first option. Okay, I am taking this one. Here you select the counter bore, and main dia is the 8 mm. Depth you can't change. I am selecting the option up to next. Up to next means end of this bottom. Okay, you can't change this thing. Okay, you can change only in case of blind. If I kept blind, then you can change this dia. Now you can change, but I am taking next option, so you can't change by double clicking it. Okay, this warning comes here. Now counter bar dia, that is 12 mm, and thickness depth is 3 mm only. This one. These are the parameter, position, and select this face. Select this face. This face normal. Okay. Now bring your cursor near the arc. You will get the center point. Okay, first I will make a circular part. If you see the drawing, this is the revolve part here outside. What is the dimension? Dimension is 5 mm from here to here, and 6 mm is the height. Okay, and total dia is this circular part is 140 mm. I will make this bottom part first, then I will make the whole wizard. Okay. Front plane is sketch normal. Okay, line, this line from bottom, this line vertical, this line, this one. Okay, now select outer line only. Select convert entity. Okay, now dimension, this dimension 5 mm. This height 6 mm. This height is 6 mm. Sketch is fully defined. Now select this line. Trim to closest. Trim it. Upper portion you trim it. Now this is the only profile. Now future revolve base line. First dry sketch, center line, this one, draw the center line here. Vertical, okay. Now future revolve base, this one. Now this is good. Okay. Now I will make the whole wizard. Whole wizard, this legacy hole, counter bore, main dia 8 mm, and this depth you can't change. Up to next, in this option you can't change by double clicking. Okay, up to next means end of this thing. And counter bore, this is 15 mm, 12 mm, sorry, 12 mm by double clicking. This depth 3 mm only. This one, position, select this face normal. Okay, bring your cursor near the arc point. You will get the center point. Select this one and right click out of this and hit right button. This hole is made. Now future circular pattern. Circular pattern, this round edge. 1, 5, total 5. This way. You have to take in this position so it should not cut. First you have to make this slot cut in such a way opposite to the direction. Otherwise, if this cut falls on this side, it will cross this one. Okay, please note this thing. In this way I have made completed. If you see the drawing, I have made all the things. This circular part I have made section portion, and then later then I make this profile extrude cut. This is the detail view of this one, and this is the profile, and this I have made all the things. Okay, now you can give the color of this. Color you can give, required color you can give from here. this one, part, appearance, any required color you can give this one. Okay, now hole, you can also give the color holes, this one, appearance, metal, solid color you can give this one. This hole is white color. Circular pattern, select this one, copy appearance, this one, paste appearance, this one. In this way you can also provide the fillet. I have not actually provided the fillets in this one. You can also provide the fillet, constant radius fillet, this one only 2 mm fillet, 2.5 you can provide, 50. Okay, select this edge, this edge, this edge. This you can provide the necessary. Okay, also provide the fillet here. You can reduce the fillet here 1 mm only. Also provide this one. You can provide the fillet here. Okay, you can provide the fillet here. I hope I have completed all the things. We conclude here. We have learned in this exercise revolve workspace, hole wizard, this slot feature, extrude cut, and shell feature we have learned in this exercise. I hope you would have enjoyed this exercise. You please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much.